So I woke up like this and thought of visiting the nearest island province in the city of Zamboanga. And that island province is Basilan. The province of Basilan is just 1.5 hours away from the city of Zamboanga kapag Roro ang tinik nyo. Kapag yung fast cut naman is just 1 hour away. Just a reminder for those na first time pupunta sa Basilan, walang ticketing booth sa loob ng Zamboanga Port. So dapat nakabili na kayo ng ticket sa labas bago kayo mag-enter ng port kasi i-check nila yan. Well, as for me, I took the Roro, the Allison shipping line sa halagang 90 pesos going to Isabela City, Basilan. Dito din nga pala ang daan papunta sa Hulo at saka sa Tawi-Tawi. At saka amazing, meron silang papuntang Malaysia dito, Sandakan. After one inspection and filling up the passenger's manifest, finally on board na tayo sa Roro, going to Basilan. Inside the Roro, may mga nag-aalok ng breakfast like coffee at ito'y nabili ko, Junay, isang halal meal. Medyo parang kakanin siya na may spices sa loob. Yung Roro na nasakyan ko expected umalis ng 7:30 but eventually around 8:15 na rin nakaalis due to delays. Delays are part of the journey naman talaga, so we just have to adapt sa delays sa trips. After 2 hours ng aming paglalakbay ay nakita na namin ang parte ng Basilan. May mga nakita kaming lumulutang na bahay na dito nakatira ang mga tausug. Luckily, na-meet ko si Ma'am City, isang resident ng Basilan. Bale, kinuwento niya sa akin ng mga may area na dapat iwasan pa sa Basilan. So, not totally safe pero kung doon sa Isabela, safe naman daw. Terrorist groups such as MILF has been suppressed in this area. Touchdown, Basilan! Upon arriving sa Basilan, I had to walk around just to see and observe kung ano ang kakaiba dito sa islang ito. When I arrived, generally peaceful naman yung lugar. Ang electric distribution utility dito ay ang Baselco. People from Luzon has a notion na unsafe ang Basilan, maraming putukan, but things have changed daw, sabi ni Ma'am City. Since the capital of Basilan is located at Isabela City, hindi ko pinalagpas ang pagkakataong mag-picture dito. Had to try din ang kanilang tricycle na kakaiba ang disenyo. Majority of the residents here are Muslims. So I went to visit the nearest Iglesia ni Cristo Chapel here to see our little growing community. I told my colleagues na magwi-withdraw lang ako sa land bank pero hindi ko sinabi kung saan. I went back to the port para makita ang kanilang small boulevard here. Okay, next stop, Malamawi Beach. Sa halagang 10 pesos, makakatawid ka from Isabela to Malamawi Island. This is the usual way of transportation from Isabela City to Malamawi Island. So maramihan na silang bumili para hindi madalas ang pagbalik mula sa main island ng Basilan. Pagkababa pa lang ng bangka ay marami na nag-aalok ng habal-habal ride going to Malamawi Beach sa halagang 150 pesos balikan. So we finally arrived sa Malamawi Beach Resort. Sa mga magtatanong kung meron tong entrance fee, meron po. Dati ay 75 pesos noong public pa ito, pero nung na-privatize ay package na po na 600 plus. I believe sulit naman yung binayad natin for the entrance fee since nasolo natin yung beach and napakaganda ng view ng dagat. I tried opening my laptop to see the connection at masyadong fluctuating yung signal nila dito. Pino ang buhangin at napaka-clear ng tubig. Hindi dapat ako liligo pero na-convince ako ni Pads na maligo na para sulit ang ibinayad. From the port of Malamawi up to this beach it took me 20 to 30 minutes lang na habal-habal ride. Napakalinis ng dagat nila dito, as in clear talaga siya. After 30 minutes, tumating na ang kanilang plated meal. Okay, halagang 614. This is 499. 80 pesos brewed coffee. Then rice 35. Okay, rice 35. And the entrance fee for this view is just free. Included na doon sa pag-avail ng meals. Malamawi, Basilan. Dahil quick drop lang tayo dito sa island and I don't wanna miss the ship going back to Zamboanga, saglit lang ako dun sa Malamawi Beach. On my way back sa port ay nakita ko tong mangrove plantation or bakawan. Ito ay nagsuserve as natural barrier against tidal wave or tsunami. At saka ito na rin ang nagiging natural habitat ng mga marine species here at Basilan. So that's a wrap for my quick trip here at the island of Basilan. Well, special thanks to this group of Samaritans na nakasabay ko going back to Zamboanga. From the way I see it, Basilan is prospering. On to the next trip. Thank you!